Bright Tuty. Every student matters.
Okay, so let us simply go to this question. Which of the following figures lie on the same base and between the same parallels? In such a case, write the common base and two parallels. So let us look at this figure. Triangle DPC and this trapezium DCBA, these lie on base DC, which is common to both of these figures, and between same parallels AB and CD. So first part, triangle DCP and quadrilateral DCBA lie on same base, which is DC, and between same parallel lines, which are DC and AB, right. Let us look at the second one. S quadrilateral, or we can say trapezium SRMN, because it looks like a trapezium. So quadrilateral SRNM and quadrilateral SRQP lie on the same base, but not between same parallels, because these vertices M and N are not lying on this parallel line, right. SR and PQ are parallel. M and N should have lied on P line PQ for it to be on same base and between same parallel lines, or the other way around. If M, N and SR are parallel lines, then points P and Q should have lied on line MN for it to be between same parallel lines and on the same base. But in this case, it is not the case of same base and between the same parallels. Let us look at this case. If I consider this QR as base, right, then this triangle TQR and quadrilateral PQRS lie on same base QR and between parallel lines PS and QR. So in third case, yes, these figures lie on same base and between same parallels, and the base, common base, is QR and PS is parallel to QR, right. So PS and QR are same parallel lines that we are talking about in this question. In fourth one, if you see these two figures, one is this triangle PQR and there is this parallelogram ABCD. These do not lie on same base, because base PQ is not equal to base BC. The base should be common to both the figures, but in this case PQ although lies on line segment BC, but it is not same as BC, right. So these two figures PQR and parallelogram BCDA do not lie on same base, right. So if I ask you separately that these lie between same parallels or not, so yes, these lie between same parallels AD and BC, but they are not on the same base. So we will say these two figures do not lie on the same base and between same parallels. Okay, if you collectively have to say this, then these two figures do not qualify for this. If you have to comment separately, then you will say these do not lie on same base, but these lie between same parallels, and the parallel lines are AD and BC. Okay. So this was about this fourth part, and in the fifth part, if you notice, AD is common base for these two quadrilaterals, quadrilateral APQ D and A, B, C, D lie on same base AD and between parallel lines AD and BQ. So, AD and BQ are parallel lines and the same base is AD. Okay. For this figure, sixth one, these figures do not lie on same base and between same parallel lines, as if you notice these quadrilaterals or these little parallelograms, these lie on different base. These are different bases, okay, but yes, these lie between same parallel lines PQ and SR. If you look at other way round, then these figures, this parallelogram, this parallelogram and this parallelogram, they also do not qualify for this, because these also do not lie on common base and between parallel lines. So, if you look in if you look from this orientation, then this parallelogram, they do not lie on same base, but they lie between same parallel lines, this line and this line. Okay. So, if you collectively have to say whether these lie on same base and between same parallels, they will not, right, they do not lie between same parallels and same base. Okay. So, this was about this exercise. This was just the introduction part, so that you could understand when the figures lie between same parallel lines and on the same base and when they do not, right. In the next lecture, we will study the significance of this. When they lie between the same parallel lines and on the same base, what happens to their areas? Like, can we compare their areas, or is there any special method for this? So, we will study about this in the next lecture. Thank you.